Hello everybody, this is AG47 Liberty. Today I'm going to talk about the ever-expanding U.S. dollar bubble. This bubble started back in 1913 with the establishment of the U.S. Federal Reserve. And to this day it has been growing, but recently it has been growing at an accelerated rate. And there's two main reasons for this accelerated rate in the U.S. dollar bubble. Is because the foreigners are no longer buying our U.S. government treasury debt. Instead, the Federal Reserve has stepped up to the plate and has started to buy that debt itself. And because of the Federal Reserve coming in and buying this debt, the money is immediately injected into the economy and thus forcing the prices of things that we buy every day, forcing them up, such as gasoline, oil, food, land, silver, gold, all that stuff has been going up quite rapidly. That is a reflection of a growing U.S. bubble, often referred to as inflation. And one of the main pumpers of inflation recently is the quantitative easing. They've already had quantitative easing 1 and quantitative easing 2, and they're already talking about quantitative easing 3. Well, the foreigners who hold a lot of our debt, this is the second reason, don't like these QEs, quantitative easing, which is just a fancy name for inflation or money printing, because they know the more money you print, the less value the money becomes. The money becomes less valuable. So anyway, the foreigners, Chinese, let's say, they see that we're printing this. Too many QEs, and they hear QE3. So now they want to get rid of their dollars before they lose all value. So they're going out and they're buying silver, gold, oil. They're buying mines. They're buying ships. They're buying ports. They're buying forests. They're buying farms. They're buying anything, even herds of cows. They're buying anything they can with these dollars before they go to zero, before they become worthless, obviously. So when they do this, when they dump their dollar reserves on the market to buy things, those dollars eventually find their way home. Well, they're starting to find their way home now. And because of that, the US dollar is expanding, the bubble is expanding. And this bubble will burst, just like the stock market burst, the real estate market burst. This bubble will burst too. And instead of being afraid of this bursting bubble, it will shock you, but if you're prepared, you will be able to weather the storm. And a way to prepare is to buy some silver and some gold, preferably just silver. And you can buy some foodstuffs and all that and that kind of stuff. Real things you need, and things that you can use. And other people can use, because you might want to trade it. You might even be able to come out of this on the other side better off. If you take a page from history, let's go back to Germany in the 1920s when they had their hyperinflation. If you had had some silver, you could have come out very wealthy. For example, 500 US silver dollars could have bought an entire commercial block in downtown Berlin. I think that would have been worth 500 silver dollars. Don't be afraid of this. This could be an opportunity. Remember, the Chinese say, "May you live in interesting times." Another way to prepare for this is to educate yourself. Don't just take my word for it. Go to Mises.org, The Economics of Freedom. That's a good starting point to educate yourself on what to do when the bubble bursts, or even to recognize bubbles like these. Buy coffee. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. And remember this: trust in God. Everyone else, pay in silver.